Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to issue refunds in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, I'm going to get you through an automatic refunds, and that's the best and recommended method. Okay, so this sends the money back to the customer's original payment method if he pays with the card, PayPal, etc. So when this works, you used a gateway that supports refunds like PayPal, Stripe, WooPayment, etc. and the payment is captured, not just authorized. So to do that, you will need at first to go with the left-hand menu on the WordPress dashboard and over on the WooCommerce, okay? And after that, just go with orders on the pop-up menu, the second option, click it, and then just click refund. So you all need before that to open the order you want to refund, okay? And then you will see an option on the blue color like that one. Just click it, it's refund, and enter right there the refund amount, full or partial, and the quantity of items, and that's optional. And then just click refund via payment gateway, okay? So then the money will be sent automatically, stock can be restored, order status updates, and the customer gets a refund email. Right, so there is another method which is the manual refunds, and that's the offline or external refunds. So you can refund via cash, bank transfer, courier, COD. Okay, so your gateway doesn't support automatic refunds. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.